Hi, I'm Tate. I'm dead. Wanna make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every single time I post a new video. And if you want to see more of my Halloween looks, make sure to go to my Instagram and my TikTok at Tegi. And with that said, let's jump right into the video because kaitatokea vizuri, imagine mutaiona kwenye Instagram. So ndo hii mnaiona na bado mtaiona kwenye Instagram. So first things, I'm going to moisturize my lips with the Labello lip balm, as obvious, because we do not want chapped lips. And then brush through my eyebrows, then tweeze. But urembo ni uchungu. Beauty is pain, but it is what it is. Then actually this video is shot before I shaved the eyebrows, and I was not sure if I was going to post it, but anyway, yeah. So filling in my eyebrow, then cleaning it out with the Ashes concealer palette. I am going to lift it up again so that you can see how it looks. After doing the concealer part, cleaning up my eyebrow, I'm going to use the Ashes BB Cream foundation. You know, kidogo too, just for a light coverage. And I poked myself. Yeah, happens every single time. That is the concealer that I was using to clean out my eyebrow. Using it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, top of my lip, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm only using a little bit because with this look I don't need that much product on my face, but I just had to use a bit just to cover out my dark spots. So I am going to set my under eye. In short, that I place the concealer, I'm going to set it with a loose powder. Then I am going to set my whole face with the Fit Me Maybelline powder in the shade 330 Toffee. I am not going to do contouring and adding on blush because with this look I am just supposed to be like bare. I'm not supposed to add anything. So yeah. Then set my eyebrows because no one wants to see a shiny eyebrow, because They just look horrible. So here it is, the TATE look. I already mapped out the whole thing with a brown pencil, then I am going over it with a black one. So this video is not is was shot like in a very weird way. I'm going to be sitting in all positions because I have never shot myself doing all the creative looks. Okay, my voice is also deciding to go away, but anyway, we'll still continue. Yeah, so I'm going to sit in all positions, and I hadn't shot any video since June, so it's like it's been a minute since I sat in front of my camera, so we are just going to excuse that part. And every time I keep looking down, I'm looking at a reference photo. I'm doing the simpler version of the TATE look because it's simpler and it was easy and quick to do. So another thing was, I was not supposed to do the voiceover. I was supposed to do something else. I asked on Instagram whether you guys are interested in murder and mystery. So for this Halloween episodes or Halloween type of looks, I'm going to do like a murder or mystery story about something. Yeah, water break and a dance. So to clean out my lines, to get the fine lines, get the straight lines, I'm going to use makeup remover and a Q-tip. Yeah. And the neck piece, the neck art, whatever you want to call it, it was so difficult to do while recording. I kept blocking it every single time because again, I have never shot my creative looks, so it was hard, but I tried. Next time is going to be better. Yeah. So if you are interested in murder and mystery stuff, go over to my Instagram at Tegi and vote because the poll is still up. Then using a paintbrush, I'm going to use the body paint, black body paint. And yes, I am using a small brush because I was more comfortable with that. If I used a bigger brush, I would have messed up a lot and I will keep cleaning, so this was much easier. And the thing is, you want to use what you're comfortable with so that you don't keep messing up, or if it's something that you want it to be done quick, you're comfortable doing it and you won't spend much time on the cleaning. So Then now with a brush and black eyeshadow, I am going to be going through the tiny lines and giving it more dimension, adding in the shadow. See, even without the contouring part of my face, I will still use it. Again, adding more shadow with a black pencil and a black eyeshadow. Then another thing is, since I was so wrapped up in doing this piece, I did not even think about removing that t-shirt and wearing something like a vest to have more like space, or yeah, to have more space to do this whole thing. But at least now I will remember this and wear something different. To see the pictures of this look and many others about on my Halloween series, make sure you follow me on my Instagram to see all that. So there you have it. This is the final look. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I post a new video. With that said,